I need to finish this job today. I need to finish the bike today. So I've got this mudguard and it's lost a couple of these bolts where the mudguard stay goes through. So what I've done is I've had to be inventive and make some, and I'll shorten this once I've got the other one made. So this is it over here. It's a nut and bolt I had in my collection. I've had to start with a nail as a punch to make a bit of a dent, and then I've used the 1.5mm and the 3mm, and finally I'll use the 3.5mm to make a hole equivalent to the original. And so there it is in the process, and I'm just using a hand drill on a fairly slow speed, and yeah, it's quite simple. Let's just see that, just holding it and using good quality metal bits. So maybe I could have ordered some online, but I need to get this bike away out of the garage for the next project. And to show you that things don't always work out right, I had to put a nylock nut on there to hold the bolt, but if you can see the bolt head, that's tilted, it's slanted, and here we have the same thing. Basically my engineering's not precise enough, and the bolt is partly snapped through, so the hole that I drilled may not have been quite in the center of the bolt, but it just shows that you can't beat some proper machining sometimes. So right, I'll have to order the proper things, and it just shows that things don't always go to plan, even when you're inventive and try and do things yourself. So you can see where I drilled the hole through, and the head of the bolt has just sheared off. So that's the hole. Not a great tolerance there, and I had to drill the hole 3.2mm for a 3mm mudguard stay, but maybe I could have just done 3mm and reamed it slightly. But I guess these bolts are mild steel, and maybe the actual ones that you get from the factory are high tensile and machined to a better tolerance than I can do it. Oh well.